If you're running a professional association, I want you spending your time doing good, not fighting software. You have a mission to help your industry. And if you're stuck fighting some Frankenstack of Excel and forms, you're not going to be able to do the good that you want. We are your Monday.com mechanics. My team will pop the hood, look at your tech stack, look at your systems, and rip out the clutter. We're going to put in a high performance engine for your association. We're going to automate membership communications. We're going to simplify event management, and we're going to streamline your training and curriculum. We don't just talk about it, we build it, we tune it, and we train you on it. So you don't drown in admin work anymore. Scroll down, check out the engine we've built for teams just like yours, and when you're ready, click the Let's Chat button. Let's pop the hood, get to work.